Here I am on the field. First plug, a lot of debris, lots of debris. So I flipped my plug, kept digging, and look what I got right there. Oh, I can't see with the sun. Where are you? There we go. First silver, first plug, silver. Yes. All right, damn it, I nicked it. A nice scratch right there. I don't know, maybe I actually bent it. This stupid thing better start focusing. I'm about to throw it across the field. So, yeah, barber dime. First thing. Come on, focus, you stupid piece of crap. I nicked it, so I guess there's no point in not rubbing it. What's that say? 1914. Pretty good. But yeah, nice big scratch thanks to yours truly, dumbass. Alright, back again with another fine mess. Had a solid 25, jumped up to 39, came back down to 25 when I opened the plug, and I can't see crap, so it's in there somewhere. Oh, right there. Alright, let me put my shovel in the ground, get this thing supported. Probably gonna be a weedy. Yep, I see the stinking Lincoln. That means there's gonna be, oh, it's not even a weedy. That's a piece of crap. Stinking Lincoln. Alright, back with another hole. Already pulled it out. Yep, you're right. I planted this stupid button. I don't know if you can see what it says on there or not. It's a big rig. I already wiped it off too. Been a lot of garbage. I'm not going to show you my field because people tend to want to come trample my spots, so this is all I'm showing you other than that car. Alright, be back. Alright, that's solid 21, and it's jumping actually a little bit back to 1819. I thought it was an Indian. I got this. I don't know what it is. It's got a ribbed edge. Oh, looks like a button maybe. What? Oh, booger. Oh, actually, that's probably a pump to one of the lanterns. Yeah. Unscrew a little bit, pull it out, pump it up, let your gas flow through. Okay. False alarm. Thank you. Alright. I'm dripping all over my phone. There's where it was laying. I popped it up, make sure it was what I thought it was, because there's debris laying everywhere. So, I got some marble. White and blue. That's pretty. I love marbles. Oh yeah. That's a good one. Alright. Thank you. Oh shit, look at there. Look at there. I got another one. Ooh, that's a pretty little white one. That's like pearlescent. It's not even really white. That's cool. I haven't seen one that color. That's gorgeous. All mine. Thank you. Alright, back again. You can see it. It's nothing special. There's the hole. I already popped it. I'm not going to try and do a live dig. I'm working with that thing. That, I just don't have the hands. But, yeah, it's a lid. Well, it's a ceramic to a lid. The lid's actually right there. It's screwed on top of a mason jar from back during the crack days. Yep, that's the crack era. Alright, see you soon. Well, by golly, I finally found something else. Hell, 5-10 nails later, and look, it's actually on the top. I do believe that's going to be a weedy. Let's see how to... Yeah, shit. Alright, I don't know. Okay, I was right. It's a weedy. Nothing special. Man, got that dime, stinking Lincoln, and a weedy.